Good day everyone. For today's video, we will check the details of the Zion Williamson 2 signature shoes. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, we will check the details of the Zion Williamson 2 signature shoes by Air Jordan. As you can see, this is the box. We will open it. Oh, this is the Zion Williamson 2. For those did not know shoes of Zion Williamson, this is the second version. Okay, so we will check the 360 view of these shoes. Okay, so let's go. We will check the details. As I can observe, this shoes has a heavy weight compared to the other Air Jordan signature shoes. Maybe it is because Zion Williamson is a big man and used as a power forward position. So here is the details. We will check the midsole. Okay, this area, as you can see, it is a rubberized midsole, and then in this portion there is a synthetic leather, and here is the mesh cotton, nylon, and then there's a mesh design as breathable materials. So we will check if it is breathable. So in the two, as you can see here, suede leather, and then here is a nylon materials, and there is Zion Williamson initial ZW. Here is Zoom Air in the strap. So there is a strap. Okay, so this strap, I believe that can secure your feet position when you're running. So that is the biggest help. If you're a big man and you use this kind of shoes, you found comfortable in this portion because of this strap. Okay, so in the tongue there is a Zion Williamson logo, and the tongue is plastic materials here, and it is not foam materials. It is just simple plastic here and nylon materials in the back portion. So in the back side, it is plastic, and there is a breathable hole. I believe it is connected to the foam inside the shoes. So we will check. There is some word Air Strobel. So we will check it. Inside of the shoes, we will get the insole. So the insole is very thin, same as other basketball shoes. As what I have noticed here, there is plastic portion here, beside the stitches. And then in the ankle portion, it is very foamy, and I believe this hole here support the comfort zone of these shoes. And there is a plastic here, so let me check. So there is a plastic in the ankle, under the ankle portion, but as I've noticed, there is no such a big impact. I don't know why is it there is a plastic with a foam being put in here. So let me check later in our spike test. So that's it. This area, it is same, no other details aside from this strap. Additional comfort and protection in this area, so that your finger, your ankle, your feet will not be easily slide. You can adjust whatever your comfortable zone it is. Okay, so we will check the spike test detail for these shoes, Zion Williamson. So let's go. Okay guys, we already checked the details of the Zion Williamson 2 from Air Jordan. As we can see, as we can check, the shoes is very bulky, and it is heavy. Okay, it has weight compared to the other Air Jordan signature shoes. And as we can see in the spike test, it is not so good for the spike test. So I will rate these shoes 5 to 10. It will go to 6 for the Zion Williamson shoes. Okay, so that's it for today. If you like our review, please subscribe our channel. Mabuhay! Thank you very much.